Hi, this is Christine again. I'm back after a long holiday. We actually enjoyed a cruise, okay, all paid for by the company, a Mediterranean cruise for 8 days, and it was amazing experience. Yeah, coming back to work after 2 weeks. Okay, I'm now catching up on all the videos. Thank you for tuning in to my Jet TV channel. I will be giving up more training on the processes in the back office, as well as all the J Mobile, the compensation plan. More videos are coming up, okay, to help you to get more info about how to start up this business. Okay, you need to know the ABC, okay, of this business before you can actually share this business with a lot of your enthusiastic friends and business associates. Now, what I'm going to share today is how to set up your e-wallet. Okay, so it is pretty simple. Let me share with you the slides here. Okay, let me get it up. Okay, now it's pretty simple. Okay, you go to your back office. When you sign up into your back office, look out for this word called the wallet. Okay, so once you click on the wallet, yeah, you will come to this page called click here, right at the bottom here. Okay, you may not be able to see, but for those people who has not activated their wallet, you'll be able to see one button at the bottom of the login called the click here. So you click on to the button, yeah, and after that you will come to this page whereby you key in your username. Now, your username cannot be the same as your URL name. So if your URL name is, say, I, me, myself, right? So your username cannot be I, me, myself, but it can be myself, me, and I. Okay? But the password, you can use the same password. And after that, you need to confirm, okay, your password again at number 3 down here. After that, you click submit. Okay? Now, okay, simple as that. Well done. You have already set up your Genius Wallet account. Okay, now how to activate it? Okay, you need to upload your ID into the wallet. What do I mean by the ID? Now, if let's say you use passport or your NRIC, okay, that means identification ID. When you first sign up, when you do it initially, you need to use the same identification form, okay, to upload into the wallet. So how do you do that? Again, you go to your back office, you click the wallet over here, okay. After that, once you go into the wallet, key in your username, your password, key in login, okay. Now, you will see one section down here called the upload government ID. All right, okay. After that, choose a file. Now, this file you can choose if you, let's say you have saved the picture of your ID into your handphone, if you're doing it from your handphone, or the ID that you have saved into your desktop, okay? And then after that, you click upload. After that, you'll be able to see they're asking for the type of identification. Okay. If you're using passport, you just click passport, okay? Anything outside USA, okay, we are known as an alien ID. So you can actually click on that, key in your identification number, and also this the country, and then you click submit. Now, do allow the company system at least 48 hours to do the uploading process. All right, meaning you will still be able to see your wallet, but you will not be able to do most of the transaction down there until they have so-called verified, okay, and have given the approval, okay, that this wallet is good to go. Okay, what are sign-up tokens? Sign-up tokens are something like a voucher. Now, for example, somebody give you a shopping voucher, right? You actually use this shopping voucher to, let's say, the departmental store, okay, that issue this shopping voucher, and you can buy things down there, and in exchange for, in exchange of a product and a voucher. Instead of giving them cash, we give them the voucher. Same thing in Genes, we have this sign-up token. Okay, for example, I may have someone who are very interested to sign up, but they do not have their credit card. They don't have credit card, right? But they don't mind paying you cash or whatever equivalent to it. according to your own arrangement. All right. So what you can do is that you can issue them a token. Okay. Yeah. And when they sign up, under the payment screen, they will choose a token instead of credit card or wallet or cash. All right. Now, how do you do that? Again, you go back to your wallet. All right. And then you log in. After you log in, right? Okay. You go up to sign up token. Click the sign up token. Now, you will be able to see there's an amount down there with the word unlimited and what is the amount. Okay. If you know exactly the amount plus the tax of that country, always remember, okay, there's some countries that has tax and some countries do not have tax, right? So if you give them unlimited amount, meaning whatever packages they sign up or whatever amount they use will be reflected in your history, transaction history as well. So you'll be able to get this amount back. All right, you will know how much they charge you. Now, under the token, okay, token is normally I will put there. It is something like a code, right? For example, I want to give to ABC. I want to give this token to ABC. Normally, my style is that I would write ABC, what it is for. Let's say a new purchase. I write there, ABC, sign up, and the date I issue this token. Why? This is for my own record purposes, okay, to be able to track who I give this token to, right? Okay. After that, you click create, all right, and then the token will be added. Now, this is what you will see. Once you have done the token, okay, for example, you issue the amount for $87.95, right? Okay, so this token will be for $87.95, and when the person use the token, okay, they instead of under the payment, instead of cash, wallet, and everything like I mentioned earlier on, they choose sign up token, and then you create, submit. All right. Now, after that, you'll come to this site URL. It is not the person you give to URL. It is your URL because you are the one who issued the URL. All right. And the code that you have created earlier on. Then you continue. All right. So after that, it will go straight into the payment screen. All right. Now, after that, if you want to transfer your commission, let's say you have a lot of money in your wallet and you would like to transfer to a bank, right? So you need to update a bank account. Same again, you go to the wallet, you click into the login, right? Under wallet setting, you go to EFT setting. What is EFT? Electronic fund transfer. Now, you choose the bank, the country, that means the country where the bank is residing in, okay, the name of the account number. Now, also the SWIFT code, okay. SWIFT code is very, very important. If, let's say, you are transferring money to a third party, you can transfer money to anyone, okay, anywhere in the world, all right, for just a small token amount of a transaction fee for more, probably about US $3 or $4, yeah. Okay, so you can transfer commission to anywhere in the world. Now, so if let's say you're transferring to a country outside of the residing account, bank account, right? Let's say you're a Malaysian account, you transfer to Malaysian, then you may not need this, but but if let's say you're transferring to a American bank, right, you may need this SWIFT code. SWIFT code is actually meant to be the digital address for banks corresponding to each other, okay, via this code. All right, it's something like a postal code, but it is tagged to that bank itself, so it's their address. All right. Now, so once you have done the updating of the bank account, okay, you are in, okay, so it will be stored. Now, you can also tell the bank, okay, like fund request. Again, once you set up, go back to the wallet, log in, right? Now, you go to fund request. You can request the amount, okay, and how you want to request. Now, if you just set up only electronic fund transfer, you'll be able to only see electronic fund transfer. But if you have already also at the same time set up your pay card, your Paylution card, pay card is pay card. Pay card is just an ATM card, right? Paylution card is a debit card. That means you can use for both ATM, you can use for both credit card function. Okay, you can sign anywhere. okay, that require the credit card payment. All right, okay, you can buy things online with your Paylution. So if let's say you want to do a fund request, right? You key in the amount, key in the method, which one you want. You can also okay, it's only US $2. I mentioned earlier on it's about 2 to 4, right? Also it's US $2. Now one thing is that you can also request that the system automatically, right, every week when you receive your commission to credit into your bank account, or you just do it as a standalone transaction. Okay. Okay, that's the end of our sharing for today. Yeah. So this is all about the wallet. Now, if let's say in case you forget about your ID or your password because a long time have not gone in, you can actually write into the customer service of your respective country, okay, or even check with HQ customer service. Now, the most important thing is that if let's say whether you are doing this business or you're not doing this business, okay, and if there's money in your wallet and your wallet there is no activity, that means you have not gone in, you have not checked the account, you have not do fund transfer, you have not view transaction, and all those stuff. So if let's say your account is inactive for 6 months, there will be a there will be a charge, or whatever that is inside there will not be there anymore. Okay, so do make sure that your wallet is active. All right. Okay, signing out now. Okay, catch me again soon on the video for let's do how to set up your Paylution card. Okay, in following up after the wallet, you may want to know how to activate your Paylution card, how to use the Paylution card. All right then, have fun and have a good day.